Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Investor NK and this is Basic Technical Analysis. This is our first video and we are going to be talking about trading and technical analysis at an introductory level. Alright, and in this Basic Technical Analysis course, of which this is the first video, you will learn so much about support and resistance, about trend lines, about demand and supply, about candlesticks, and basically just how to approach technical analysis at the very basic level or at the foundation level. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's get into it. Alright, what is trading? That may be the first question. In the financial market, right, we have forex, we have synthetic, alright, we have crypto. Alright, so trading is basically the act of buying and selling an asset. Alright, an asset, a commodity, alright, a stock, alright, for profit. Of course, you don't always make profit, you make losses, but the basic aim of every trader, alright, in the market is to make profit. So when you're trading, you're buying, you're selling an asset, a commodity, a cryptocurrency, right, a stock, a share, whatever it is. But this time around, you're doing it in the financial market. In FX, you're using a broker, alright. In synthetic, you also use a broker, alright. And then in crypto, you use exchanges. Okay, you can use the CeFi, or you can consider the DeFi option of it. Now in CeFi, you're talking of SEX, that is centralized exchanges, and in DeFi, you're talking of DEX, that is decentralized exchanges. Alright. Then of course, when you're coming here, you're talking of degen, liquidity provision, and a lot of things. And when you're here, you're talking of spots. You're talking of futures. You're talking of also margin or leverage trading, at the very least. Okay, so that's basically that when you're introducing or when you want to know about trading. Okay, now what is technical analysis? TA is just a short form for what? Technical analysis. Alright, when you're doing technical analysis, you're studying past historical data. In this aspect now is going to be represented by a chart, of which I'll show you in just a minute. So you're studying past historical data represented by a chart, to anticipate future potential movement. Okay, movement. So you're studying past historical data represented by a chart to anticipate future or potential movement. And of course, you're doing this for the sole aim of making money or profit. Okay, now a technical analyst is just a person who does technical analysis. There are different ways you can actually approach trading. Okay, you don't just approach trading from the TA aspect. You can approach trading from FA, you can approach trading from TA, you can approach trading with macroeconomics too. Okay, and I know there are people who do lots of other things. Alright, so that is what we are going to be talking about today. Our major focus is actually TA, not FA or macroeconomics. Alright, so I have here an ETH chart. This is Ethereum, this is crypto now. Alright, so when you're doing technical analysis, what you're going to be studying is this chart. You're studying this chart. Okay, you're studying this chart, and of course we have different time frames, we have different crypto pairs, we have different forex pairs. Alright, we have different ones and you can choose to study any one, but for this case, this is just a chart example. I'm using ETH. Alright, now when you're doing TA, I'm going to have to remove everything here. So with this, what you're doing is you're going to study this. Okay, with this now, this is a chart, and on this chart, these green and black things are actually candlesticks. We're going to talk about that in the next video. anybody's chart can be any color. I just decided to use mine as green and black. Someone's one can be red, someone's one can be yellow, whatever color they choose. Okay, so with this candlesticks, you're going to see the footprint of traders. All right, with this you can see what traders have been doing. From here now you can see this. I'm pretty sure it's obvious. You can see this, right? And then you have this. Okay, so with this you can see that there were a series of higher highs and higher lows. So you can say, oh, ETH is actually in a bullish trend, although the trend is not so defined, you know. So when you're talking of a bullish trend, you're talking of something like this. Okay, it's not so defined like that. That's to tell you that in real life it's not going to be the way you imagined it. There will be a difference. Okay, so this is it. This is basically what it is. So you're studying this now, you're saying, okay, price is bullish, what should I do next? What should I not do next? Where am I buying from? If it's bullish, what am I doing? If it's bearish, what am I going to be doing? Right? So that's basically what technical analysis is. And I hope you got value from this video. I'll see you in the next video.